Let's talk about feeding our chickens cracked corn in the winter.
Hi, my name's Melina and welcome to my channel, Homesteading Farm Life. Our videos are all about homesteading, our 40-acre farm, and our animals. Follow our journey and learn how to homestead on your farm or in your backyard. Be sure to subscribe to my channel by clicking on the link below.
Chickens are prepared to naturally combat cold weather. However, there are a few things we can do to help them stay warm, and feeding them cracked corn in the evening during the colder months is one of them. In the evenings when you go down to the coop to shut the door and secure them in for the night, give a little cracked corn. This allows them to have extra calories in their body and gives their body something to digest overnight, which will keep them warmer. Also, giving them cracked corn helps fight boredom in the coop, especially during the winter months. A lot of our flock doesn't like to go outside whenever it's wet and rainy and snowy. And so if yours is anything like ours, they'll sit in the coop for hours and they'll be bored and they'll start pecking at each other or sleeping in their nesting boxes or just doing crazy chicken things. I like to take the cracked corn and kind of spread it over the top of the floor in their coop. And I say the top of the floor because I use the deep litter method. So my floor right now is about 6 inches deep and I have pine shavings and straw. And I have to go out daily anyway with the deep litter method to kind of till it up and make the bottom stuff come to the top and then put a new layer of straw down. Well, by throwing out this cracked corn, because it's colder anyway and my chickens need the extra warmth, it is making the chickens have to forage and dig through the deep litter to get their cracked corn, and they're essentially doing my job for me. I don't always have to go out with a garden rake and till up all of the floor because the chickens do it looking for little treats. Chickens produce heat through activity and metabolism. The amount of heat that a chicken can produce is directly related to the type of food you feed. By providing the proper complete nutrition feed plus corn during the winter at all times, it does allow for the chickens to consume as little or as much that's needed to maintain their body temp and stay comfortable in cold weather. So you don't just necessarily have to feed them the cracked corn in the evenings. You can offer it to them throughout the day and they will eat as much or as little as their body needs to help them stay warm. So kind of think of winter as the perfect time to spoil your flock. Cracked corn is a major hit in my coop. All of my chickens love to have this treat. So use this time to spoil them as much as you want. Make sure when offering cracked corn that you give them enough water and they have access to water all the time. During winter, water can freeze. It's hard to keep fresh water out there, but it's really essential that you offer them fresh water 24/7. Keep your chickens happy and healthy by feeding them cracked corn in the evenings. They're going to be warm and they're going to thank you for it. Share with me your thoughts about feeding cracked corn in the winter. Is there any other type of feed that you use to help your chickens to increase their calorie intake? I would love to see your chicken photos and videos and read all of your comments, so please put them down below. Share this video with all of your chicken tender homesteading friends. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel so you never miss a video.
Thank you for watching today's video on Homesteading Farm Life. Please share this video with your friends and click that thumbs up button below. If you're interested in homesteading and farming, why don't you join our journey by clicking the subscribe button and then choosing the little bell icon so you never miss a video. Maybe you're interested in more than just watching homesteading videos. Maybe you want to make some homesteading friends. Why don't you join me on Facebook in my homesteading Facebook group? I will include a link to the group down in the video description.